Welcome to the world of CRX. From the intoxicating rush of speed to the unleashing of uncontrollable kinetic fury, the aftermath is exposed here. Look deeper, tremble at the physics, and command your hands to hold firm. Strap in. The journey starts now.
Oh my God.
Drag the car through a store window. Remember, streets aren't racetracks.
Holy shit.
Green doesn't always mean go. It means scan for hazards. This SUV's rush met a use sequences.
Maybe then we'll stop.
A routine drive shattered as a truck slides across lanes. This crash serves as a haunting reminder to maintain maximum awareness at all times. Attempting to weave through traffic at high speeds turned this SUV into a projectile. Oversized tires can act as a launch pad for reckless drivers. A patrol car swerves into a wall to avoid a sudden cyclist. This high-speed maneuver proves that public safety is always the top priority. Cutting off a heavy rig leaves the driver with zero reaction time. This avoidable crash caused massive delays and dangerous road conditions for everyone.
Priority. 6-5, we got a Dodge Caravan taking off. Eastbound Oakwood, speed is 60, light traffic, we're approaching Dix now.
Eastbound Oakwood, approaching Dix, speed 60.
6-5 through Dix, speed 75, approaching Schaefer now. Medium traffic.
75, approaching Schaefer.
Suspect is a Stephen Miller, home invasion. 6-5 through Dix.
Overheated brakes turned this truck into a runaway hazard. Proper maintenance is the only thing standing between control and a total wreck. Smartphone distraction turned this semi-truck into a weapon. Eyes on the road, not the screen. Distracted driving destroys lives instantly. Play stupid games, win stupid prizes. This rider found out the hard way that a hatchback is much heavier than his ego. This truck attempted an unscheduled flight without a pilot's license. Gravity is a strict air traffic controller. Slow down before you lose your wing. Hydroplaning strips away control in seconds. Speed is a choice, but physics is a law. Drive slower when the pavement shines. Stealing federal property is a fast track to a long sentence. At 120, your freedom isn't the only thing you're losing. Dancing on the edge of traction is thrilling until the physics bill comes due. This unscheduled off-road excursion sent photographers scrambling. Steel on steel leaves, zero room for error. This driver ignored the rails and found out that momentum ignores your schedule. Respect the tracks. High-speed errors turn this median into a launch pad. Avoidable crashes like this prove that your focus protects more than just your own lane. Accident, no major injuries, luckily. A bad turn made this heavy truck fall over. Gravity is a powerful force. Don't drive too close to large vehicles.
What? Oh my god! Holy fuck!
The highway isn't a safe place for flying debris. Secure your load, or you might turn someone's commute into a disaster. A reckless pass turned into a snowy ditch instead of trading insurance. This driver grabbed a shovel for a fight. Keep your cool. Testing city water systems can lead to sudden explosive pipe failures. Authorities have launched an investigation into this dangerous incident. A split-second phone distraction pushed this BMW into oncoming traffic. One text isn't worth a wreck. Put the phone down before it's too late. Out here, we look out for one another. CRX isn't just about crashes. It's about drivers who choose to learn. Subscribe to join a community focused on road mastery and survival. Share this message to protect those you love. Awareness saves lives. Stay alert on the road.